Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys this beautiful hijab turban style that I always do. Even when I'm at the gym, I do this style and it stays put. I just want to apologize about the audio. I recorded this tutorial and the audio wasn't, there was a background noise, so I'm just doing a voiceover. But so I have my underpiece, my hijab cap, and then I'm gonna be measuring the hijab. So one side is gonna be longer than the other. Measuring the hijab, who says that? But anyways, yeah, so you want to make sure you grab your hijab is right on top of your undercap. One side is longer than the other and you just want to crisscross them. I don't know if you guys can tell by my face, so you want to crisscross it, and my hand motion will tell you guys what I'm doing. So just like so, you bring one side to the other and grab the other side from underneath. I don't know if I'm making sense. I hope this makes sense. Try it with me. Try it as you're watching this. So in this part, I'm actually explaining that you need to make sure you tighten, like literally tighten the knot that you created in the back. So you do that by grabbing the side of your hijab, which is the one starting from your forehead, around your forehead. That's the side that you want to grab of the hijab, not the back side. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I'm pointing at it literally right now with my hijab. You could see, so I'm grabbing that part that goes from the same side of my forehead, and you could see it tightened. So you want to make sure that's as tight as possible so that your hijab stays put all day long. This is a very important part. If you guys need help, just let me know in the comment section. I'll help you guys. So as you tightened it, you want to put one side on the other, and that's going around your bun. So you already have your bun in the back. If you can see, I'm turning around so that I can show you guys. And you bring the other side around, both sides, so you cross them again, and then it's like if you put it around your bun, literally you guys, it stays on. Chiffon is a bit harder, so I prefer materials like premium cotton. It's best. But after you tie it, you literally have your turban style, you guys. So I like to bring the rest of the hijab to my side, like, you know, flowing, kind of like it's a cute style. So I'm just making the knot a little, like shifting it a little more towards my left side so that I can break it down like that. And honestly, it looks so gorgeous. I love chiffon only because it flows so nicely. Like, it's so beautiful. But cotton, premium cotton is more comfortable. That's the only thing. But yeah, there you have it. That's the hijab style. Honestly, the most comfortable style ever. If you wear premium cotton to the gym and you do this style, it stays on, you guys. And that way it's like easier for you so that you won't have to sweat and all of that, you know, like your neck can breathe. But I love this hijab style. It's like my go-to. It's super cute. I love it.